This is Banker's Box's multi-pack of small boxes, and they measure 10 inches by 12 inches by 15 inches, and they work great. They also have these handles, and they're very strong and durable too. And this is a tape-free design, and it's very easy to fold and assemble. It's also very easy to unfold and disassemble and reuse it time and time again. These are also made in the USA too. And you have a quick lift-off lid where you can use this over and over again. Since it doesn't use tape and it's a tape-free design, you're not going to have to worry about having tape and tape it and untape it over and over again. I definitely recommend this for your house, for your office, and it's also great for moving too. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.